If your support team is manually adding tags to every ticket, you are already losing. Inconsistencies stack up, important tickets slip through, and your reporting becomes unreliable. Zendesk triggers can handle all of that automatically, but only if you know which of the 3 tag actions to use and when. Zendesk gives you 3 ways to manipulate tags through triggers: add tags, set tags, and remove tags. They sound similar, but they behave completely differently. Using the wrong one can silently wipe out critical routing data that other parts of your workflow depend on. Add tags is the safest option, and the one you will reach for most often. It appends new tags to whatever is already on the ticket. A ticket already tagged urgent and VIP_customer keeps both tags and gains escalated on top. Nothing is ever removed. Set tags is where teams get burned. It does not add to the ticket, it replaces everything. Every existing tag gets wiped out and only the tags you specify remain. Admins in the Zendesk community have flagged this repeatedly, losing routing data, custom field values, and VIP flags because set tags was used where add tags was intended. Remove tags does the opposite of add tags, but surgically. It deletes only the specific tags you name while leaving every other tag untouched. This is the action for workflow state management, like removing and awaiting _response tag the moment a customer sends a reply. To build your first tag trigger, open Admin Center and navigate to Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. You will see every existing trigger in your account listed in order. That order matters because triggers run top to bottom. Click Add Trigger in the top right corner. Give your trigger a name that makes its purpose obvious to any admin who opens it. Something like Tag High Priority Tickets, as urgent tells future you and your teammates exactly what this rule does without opening the configuration. Under Conditions, define exactly when this trigger should fire. For a high priority tagging example, set ticket is created combined with ticket priority is high or urgent. You can layer additional conditions to target specific organizations, keywords in the subject, or any other ticket property. Under Actions, click Add Action and select Add Tags from the dropdown. Type your tag names into the text field, separating multiple tags with spaces. For example, high_priority needs _attention. Click Create to save, then test it by creating a ticket that matches your conditions. Once you understand the mechanics, tag triggers become the connective tissue of your support operation. Teams use them to auto-tag tickets by channel, flag VIP customers for faster routing, mark tickets approaching SLA breach, and send signals to external systems like Salesforce or Jira through integration-specific tags. A few rules will save you significant debugging time. Organize triggers in tiers, routing first, tagging second, actions based on tags third. Use consistent naming prefixes like escalation_urgent so tags group logically. And instead of set tags, combine remove tags and add tags to make changes explicit and controlled. Trigger-based tagging works well for stable, predictable rules, but it breaks down when you have hundreds of categories or when your classification needs keep changing. eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk, learns from your existing tickets, and applies tags based on context and intent rather than keyword conditions. No trigger rules to write, no sprawl to maintain. If you are spending more time maintaining trigger rules than benefiting from the tags they create, eesel AI is worth a look. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required and no trigger configuration needed to get started.